Hello everyone, is your car refusing to start, stuck in one gear, or showing transmission warning lights? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0707, transmission range sensor, TRS circuit low input, it means your PCM, Powertrain Control Module, is receiving a weak or low voltage signal from the TRS. In this video, I'll explain what P0707 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0707 trouble code is triggered when the transmission range sensor, TRS, sends a signal lower than the expected voltage. The TRS, also known as the neutral safety switch, tells the PCM which gear the transmission is in, P, R, N, D, L. If the signal is too weak, the PCM may fail to detect the correct gear or put the car in limp mode. Warning: if this sensor fails, your car may not start, struggle to shift gears, or get stuck in limp mode. Common symptoms of P0707. Check engine light on car won't start, especially in park or neutral, harsh or delayed shifting. Stuck in one gear, limp mode, incorrect gear display on dashboard, transmission slipping or jerking. If you're experiencing any of these, let's find the problem by locating the key components. To diagnose P0707, check these key transmission and PCM related components. Transmission range sensor, TRS. Neutral safety switch location, mounted on the transmission near the shift linkage or valve body. Function: detects gear position and sends signals to the PCM. Gear shift selector and linkage location, between the gear shift lever and transmission. Function: ensures the correct gear selection is transmitted to the TRS and PCM. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location: usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: receives TRS signals and controls shifting. Wiring harness and connectors. Location: runs between the TRS gear shifter and PCM. Function: transmits electrical signals for gear selection. Fuse and relay box location, under the hood or dashboard. Function: supplies power to the TRS circuit. Faulty transmission range sensor, TRS. A worn out or damaged sensor may send weak signals. Corroded or loose TRS, connector dirt, water or corrosion can disrupt the connection. Broken or stretched gear selector cable. A misaligned or damaged cable can cause incorrect signals. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A power failure can prevent the TRS from functioning. Short circuit or wiring issues. Damaged wires can cause low voltage signals. PCM malfunction, rare. The PCM may misinterpret TRS signals, causing shifting issues. Step 1. Check gear indicator on dashboard. If the displayed gear doesn't match the actual gear, the TRS or shift cable may be faulty. Step 2. Inspect the transmission range sensor, TRS. Look for cracks, dirt or corrosion on the sensor and its connector. Step 3. Test the TRS with a multimeter. If the voltage or resistance is too low, replace the sensor. Step 4. Check the shifter cable and linkage. Ensure the cable is not loose, stretched or misaligned. Step 5. Inspect wiring and fuses. Look for blown fuses, damaged wires or loose connections. Step 6. Reset the PCM and test drive. After repairs, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and check if the issue is resolved. Ignoring P0707 can lead to serious transmission issues, starting problems, or limp mode. Fixing it early can prevent expensive repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0666, intake manifold tuning valve control circuit high, bank 1. P0667, intake manifold tuning valve control circuit high, bank 2. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.